Good morning, dear children. In my previous video, I was explaining you lesson Natural Satellites of the Earth. Children, in this lesson, you all had learned about moon. Today, we will know about the eclipses. Children, you all know that light travels in a straight path, and when any opaque objects come in its path, shadow is formed. Children, opaque objects means the objects that block light from traveling through them. Here in this picture you can see human body is acting like opaque objects, so it casts a shadow. Similarly, moon and earth are opaque objects and they are moving. And when anyone comes in the path of sunlight, it casts a shadow on the other. This is called eclipse. Children, eclipses may be of two types, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Now let us know about them one by one. So first of all, let us start with solar eclipse. Children, this is a picture of solar eclipse, and a solar eclipse forms when the moon comes between the sun and the earth. When moon passes in front of the sun, it casts a shadow that falls on certain portion of the earth. Children, this is the reason that we cannot see sun from every place on the earth. The place where shadow falls, we cannot see the sun for certain period of time. This is called solar eclipse and it occurs only on the new moon day. Solar eclipse is of two types, total solar eclipse and partial solar eclipse. Now let us see what is total solar eclipse. Children, in this slide you can see total solar eclipse. When the sun is completely hidden by the moon, it is known as total solar eclipse. And this slide shows partial solar eclipse. Here you can see part of the sun is hidden by the moon, so it is called as partial solar eclipse. Now children, let us know about lunar eclipse. If the earth comes in between the sun and the moon, its shadow falls on the moon and we cannot see the moon for that period of time. Children, this is called lunar eclipse, and this lunar eclipse occurred during the night and only on the full moon day. Children, in this picture you can see two types of lunar eclipse, partial and total lunar eclipse. When the moon is completely hidden by the shadow of the earth, it is called total lunar eclipse, and when some part of the moon is hidden by the shadow of the earth, it is called partial lunar eclipse. Now children, let us know about tides and what causes a tide. Children, continuous rising and falling of ocean water is called tides. You all know that moon is closer to the earth and it has its own gravity. Ocean water rises due to the gravitational pull of the moon. Children, moon pulls water that is closest to it, making a high tide. And the area between two high tides experiences low tides. Children, you can experience tides on new moon day and full moon day. Children, the intensity of tides depends on the phases of the moon, and these tides occur every day two times due to the rotation of the earth. Here in this picture you can see high tides and low tides. Children, hope you all have understood about eclipses and tides. So read these two subtopics again from the book and watch video to understand the topic. Thank you and have a nice day.